Good morning, friends. It's Grace. Hey, I had somebody ask me probably 2 quarters ago. The company did these awesome eyebrow kits, and they're like, I've got one, but I don't really know how to use it. So I wanted to show you how to use it because these things are flipping amazing, and I keep telling the company they need to bring them back full time. So it comes with this little dual-ended angle brush, and I like to use this. You're gonna wanna make one in the dark end and one in the light end. So you can tell I have my makeup done, but my eyebrows are not in, okay? So I'm gonna take my angle brush and I'm gonna start with the pomade, okay? So the one on the opposite end of the light color, okay? And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna bring this in, and what I love about this brush is that if you put it just like this, it creates this awesome inside angle. And the pomade is like it's not a gel exactly, it's more like a cream, and it creates a place for the filler to stick. So in the places on my eyebrow, like right here where it's hard to make anything, like I've got a little scar there, probably from when I was a kid, and I've got one right here too, okay? I think we all do, right? Everybody fell off their bike. So that's gonna be the first thing I do. The second thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this middle brow color fill, okay? And I'm just gonna go in the same way. And you'll notice I'm using these like really light feather strokes. I absolutely love doing this because it makes it look even more like hair, okay? Now, when you put the brow fill in, it looks a little bold and it looks a little unnatural. So then you take the spoolie, which is the little brush, and you brush up with it. You're gonna brush up and then brush out. And what this does is it makes it nice and even. It scoops up excess, okay? And the last piece, and this was a piece I thought was the most dumb. I know, I'm such a dork. And the company always gets it right, so I don't know why I question things. I'm gonna take the other end of the angle brush and get the highlighter on, because check what this does, okay? This is called a brow highlighter, and I'm gonna put this in right underneath my eyebrow. Okay, just angle it in like that, okay? Now, I'm just gonna take an eyeshadow brush and kind of soften that curve. Look at my eyebrows, you guys. Look at the difference that makes on my face. I absolutely love these. I will continue to tell the company they need to bring them back. I think that they are so helpful, especially for friends who have gone through treatment, who have thin or patchy brows. These things just rock, and they still look so natural. So I hope that helps. I hope you're having a great day. And as always, make sure you let me know what questions you have, because I love helping.